Oh, pussycats, can you hear the humming of the bees or listen? Oh, yes, so interesting, huh? Oh, yes, and this is the container they came in. Oh, and look, pussycats, there's more bees in there. Oh, isn't this too exciting? Well, we are so happy to have Peace Bees and Steve here. And oh, yes, so look who the welcome wagon is. Hello, darling. Hello, Leo. Oh, Leo is so happy, yes. He's going to keep the bees company, yes. And on the front there is the zip code of Palm Beach Island, 33480. Okay, pussycats, that way they know where to come home to, you know. He. Okay, ciao, ciao.